Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you on tip number 3 to decorating clothes ideas. It's also embroidery ideas, but I don't use embroidery thread like the last episode anymore. I use ribbon to embroider on it. And I will show you the easy and simple way to embroider a rose. Now, let's get started. To make ribbon embroidery, we need to prepare some stuff. First, some kind of ribbons in different sizes and colors, an embroidery hook as a starter fabric, and especially we need a needle for ribbon. Look at this needle, it's bigger and harder than normal needle so many times, and the holes is bigger too. I picked up my own knit to embroider on. I got it so many years. Now I'm going to draw pattern of rose first. Actually it's not look like rose now, but I just locate where I will embroider on. Before starting out to embroidery, I want to show you how to thread in the ribbon. I use scissors to cut the ribbon like a dot and thread it through the needle, then cut and tie knot at the end. Okay, I'm starting to embroider branch of rose first. When you pass the needle through the knit, let's turn the needle back and forth to easily pull the ribbon up. Then I use thread of the same color to keep the ribbon in branch shape, and it looks like a thorn on the rose branch. Moving on to the rose, I'm going to make a center of rose first, cutting 20 cm length of the ribbon and fold it, like I'm doing right now, then sew them together by hand. Now starting to embroider rose. After embroidering 3 petals of rose on top, I'm going to sew the center of rose that I made before on, and keep going to embroider other petals till the rose turns out. I also make a little branch here and embroider a rosebud on it and make some leaves around. Lastly, I'm going to embroider the sepal under the rose to finish. Okay, I'm done. Let's see the final result. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial to make your clothes new life, and see you next week. Bye!